Hi, and welcome to the Microphotonics Imaging Laboratory here in Allentown, Pennsylvania. Each month, we'll be bringing you new instructional videos, providing you tips and tricks to use with your SkyScan instrumentation. Let's go ahead and jump into the tip for this month.
Hello, and welcome to another Microphotonics Tip of the Month video. This month, we're going to be discussing how to create stereoscopic 3D images within CTVox that'll give you a real great depth effect for presentations or publications. To begin with, I've already loaded an example dataset into CTVox using a child's toy which we scanned on a SkyScan 1275 instrument in our laboratory. Now the first step to working with any data in CTVox is going to be to adjust the transfer functions to generate the image view that you would like to save. I've already pre-adjusted this, so I'm going to load in my default values for both the transfer function as well as the lighting options. Now that we have our material properties, lighting, and transfer functions set to produce the effect that we're looking for in the image, we can go ahead and position the data file in an orientation which we want to use to capture the image. Since we're not planning on clipping into the model for this image capture, we can go ahead and turn off the clipping box, give us a nice clean view of the model without the pink box on the outside. To enable stereoscopic view, we can go into the options menu and click stereo mode, or we can navigate to our toolbar and simply click the stereo mode icon, which we see with the pair of glasses with the red and green lens. Clicking this will immediately enable stereoscopic imaging, and we'll see this red-cyan shift present in the image. Viewing this image within the confines of CTVox or as a saved image when wearing the red-cyan shift glasses will produce the depth effect that we're looking for.
Hello. Thank you for watching this installment of our video tip of the month. At Microphotonics, we strongly believe that the research you do changes the world, and we're happy to support you in your efforts through these videos, through our advanced training courses, and our annual workshops. Through these efforts, we strive to make sure that you are getting the most from your Bruker Micro CT machine. If you have any questions on this video or any other questions, feel free to give us a call or send us an email. Thank you again, and have a good day.